The cat and the hat picked up roses. The cat and the hat picked up roses. The sun's in outside. It was too late to play. We sat in the house on that cold, cold wet day. And there was some cooking taking place. I sat there with Sally. We sat there, we do. And this says, and I wish for we have something to do. So let's go out and to call the play ball. We sat in the house and did nothing at all. So all we can do was sit. We do not like it now one little bit. Bump was something that bump. How that bump made us jump. We looked and we saw him stepping on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat. He said to us, why no? We looked and we saw him stepping on the mat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat. And said to us, why do you sit there like that? My nose is wet and the sun is not sunny. We can have fun and lots of great fun. That is funny. No?